Wish your financials can manage themselves? Let me show you how. Hello everyone, my name is Mario Herman and I'll introduce you to Cashy, an AI-powered financial advisor that helps you navigate through your financial life. In this video, I'll cover what powers Cashy behind the scenes and walk you through a demo app. Ready? Let's kick this off. So you may wonder, how's my financial information stored? Well, here on screen, we can see that Cashy's backend is a PostgreSQL relational database with many tables such as accounts, budgets, monthly balances, transaction entries, goal contributions, and transactions also. Most of them, we can see most of the columns and data types of each and also the relationships between them. All this structure helps us keep our financials well organized and traceable. But how does the AI agent can access and interpret the information? Well, Cashy's agentic workflow is built on LangGraph. Basically, the graph consists of two nodes and three edges, as you can see here. It all starts with the user's prompt. It goes firstly to the agent node where the LLM processes the prompt. Then it decides whether it responds directly to the user or it calls a tool. In the tools nodes, there are 9 available of them, which are mostly SQL query functions. After the tool runs and returns the data to the LLM is capable of providing grounded answers to the users. Also, for write operation, it is required that the user either accepts or rejects the action. That means that for every CRUD operation to the database, there's always a human in the loop. Alright, time for demo. Here you can see I developed a demo app here using HuggingFace spaces for Cashy. As you can see here, the only thing that you need is a HuggingFace account, and basically you are ready to go. In case of any disconnection with the database, please be patient and just hit here the 3 dots menu and in the restart space option. There you can start using the application normally. So here we can start chatting with the agent. We can start using the free tier, saying hi, how's it going? And let's see first what we got. Here, Cashy is greeting us. Okay, so for the free tier, I will switch right now for the HuggingFace option. As I brought my own key, here I will paste it and save it. It's okay to use the default model, but you can use whichever model and inference provider you like. The default one is Llama 3.3 70p. So okay, let's start by asking some examples like what are my account balances? Let's see what Cashy tells us. Okay, here you can see basically all this data that Cashy right now is showing us. It's only a demo data. Of course, it's just for markup purposes. So you can see here that the data goes from October 2025 to January 2026. They are in US dollars, and well, you can see here that there are some checking accounts, also a PayPal, Stripe, and Wise, some neobanks, a cash one, and also some investment and savings accounts. So okay, it's all good. Let's start by asking something like show me the last 10 transactions. Let's see how Cashy shows us. Okay, so here we have the 10 transactions. We can see there's a concept, an amount, and also the date where the transaction was basically made. We can see here's expense, and also we have some savings and some incomes. Okay, let's start also with another example question like, am I over budget on anything? Or well, let's ask that for the month of January, because it will take the current one, which right now we are on March. So let's say Let's see what it says. Okay, here's our spending history back on January 2026 based on the data. But okay, I don't like the list that much, so let's say like show me that in a pie chart. Okay, let's see what else. Yep, not in that clean way, but yeah, we can see that here's a representation of all of the previous listed categories here, and maybe we can just restrict it to the show me top 5 categories in a pie chart, so it will look cleaner. Let's see what Cashy gives us. And yeah, here we can see that this is a cleaner presentation, and we can see also the five spending categories. So okay, let's finally do one of the examples question, which is right next to here. Let's say we want to buy a 1500 laptop computer. Let's see if we can afford it. Okay, here is telling us that Cashy will need to check our account balances in order to calculate that. So okay, we're gonna give him the permission, or we'll just tell him right away to do so. Okay, here it's showing our account balances. Okay, I will be more concise on my question. Okay, so here basically Cashy gave us an advice of how we can manage if we want to afford the computer, basically. So okay, in summary, yes, you can afford the 1500 laptop based on your current financial situation, okay, because we have some liquidity and our debt is not that much. Okay, so this is basically a demo for Cashy capabilities. Please play around with the app and let me know if there's anything you would like to see here in Cashy. Thank you very much.